Hi, folks. Welcome to a training session on our flood log component of Sub-Zero. It's really straightforward, but we just want to put together a quick few-minute video so that you can walk through the process, make sure you understand how it all goes, and we can answer all your questions. Everything's on a hosted site, data stored in Canada. So you need internet connection, but that's it. If you got a phone, tablet, computer, you can access the system. You can all have your own unique login. If you need specific logins, reach out. We can add those instantly. You pull up the site, click login. If you uh, are a our Sub-Zero customer, you can access all these modules and components. So just reach out and we can enable that for you. If you're just accessing the member service flood cut log from your local association, you'll just see this here, which is makes it simple and easy for you. Everything else will be locked. New flood cut log. When you log in and you only have access to the flood cut logs, the new flood cut log will pull up instantly so you can see it and fill it in right away. There it is. Um, Here's all of your information. So your facility name, if you've got multiple buildings, they'll be there. The ranks within the building. So if they have certain names from sponsors or just generic names that you have, your list of ice resurfacers. If anything's missing, just reach out to us. We can add it instantly. That'll be there ready, available for you. What's your previous program? If we're missing something, let us know. We do try to keep it as generic as possible so we don't have a list of like 50 options. Your hours. So just click here and you can put you don't need to, when you pull up on a phone, the keyboard will be your numeric keyboard as opposed to the letters. So you don't have to toggle and switch and go through that just to make it as easy and simple for you as possible. Same with the battery and fuel percentage. You don't even have to delete the zero. You can just type it in. Same thing, that keyboard will pop up. What else do we want to go through here? None of these additional fields are mandatory. You can pick and choose what you want to fill in. And it doesn't need to be exactly precise right down to the exact percentage. Some of your machines might not have gizmos to give you specific values, but at least a ballpark so you know where you're at, either from your gauges or if you have some of those fancy devices, feel free to go ahead and use those and fill in that information. Duration here, we're going to have that default to 10. Whether it's 8 or 10, you can plug it in and adjust it. We'll add the start time as well. We do have the time you've logged it and who filled it in. So all that information is pre-populated. Snow, water, what type of flood or type of cut it is, any comments. You can say edging needs to be done, whatever comments for the next driver or for the next program or some comments you heard from somebody, whatever, you fill all that in. Um, Once you're happy with it, you press submit. Done, submitted, it's ready to go. You can fill in another one right away. So if you've got multiple sheets and you got drivers going from one sheet to another, as opposed to having to open it all over again. Once that's done, you filled in your first flood cut log. Really takes like 20 seconds. A lot of that key information is either just drop downs or automatically collected. So if I go here, new flood cut log, now this is the cool data that you can put up on a TV, put on a screen at your desk, see what's going on, and toggle from a lot of information. Obviously, the more options, like the more buildings, more rinks, more ice resurfacers that you have, uh, the more value you'll get out of this by being able to toggle between buildings and rinks and searching for specific ones or searching by programs or by machine and tracking the hours. It defaults to the newest one filled in. The notes, who submitted it, I'm on a generic login, but this is a good sample for you. Column chooser, so you can hide some columns if you say I've only got one machine, so it doesn't really matter to me. We've only got one building. This will help clean that up for you. If some of these are blank just from no desire to fill that in, you can hide those as well. You can move it so you want to have the notes be first. There's other stuff like you can filter by a certain column, uh, add a new new flood cut log, export all your data to Excel so you have it. You can have all of your readings here listed. If the font's too small on TV, we can adjust it to make it bigger for you to scale it. You can do that generically yourself as well. Master search, but here's all your readings. Here's all of your information. This is everything that I can think off the top of my head. I hope I haven't missed anything. If you've got questions, comments, feel free to reach out. But we're really excited about this tool, and we hope you find value and enjoy it as well. Thanks. Have a great day.